Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're at Cloudland Canyon State Park. Going to show you a little of the park. Hey, it's lunchtime, so we're going to cook up some lunch right on the little camp grills over here. So y'all stay tuned. All right, folks, we're headed to the waterfall. It is 41 degrees and breezy, and the trees are changing up here really beautifully. So hopefully it'll be a nice walk. We know I've done this before, and it's a struggle getting back out of here, out of this canyon after you're down in there. So we'll take our time and we'll see how it goes. Show you some shots on the way. All right, so today we're using our Dutch oven and charcoal plate for the standard camp grill again. We got our camp made collapsible charcoal chimney going right there. I got some Stubbs charcoal going in there, getting about ready. Today we're going to do something simple. This is not a recipe video. We're just going to make up some beautiful grilled cheese sandwiches right out here on some cast iron in beautiful Cloudland Canyon State Park. And the fall colors are coming round. One layer of charcoal going on the spider. Alright, got a nice hot pan. Just started smoking a little bit. Gonna go in with about a good chunk of butter. Run that around in there. About perfect. Lay my slice of bread right on top. Then I'm gonna pull that one back out. I'm gonna take my second slice. Put that right in there. That way we had melted butter on the other side. Now we're gonna go cheese. This smoked turkey. Another cheese. And then our other side that we just got butter on. Alright, we'll brown her up. Alright, here we go. Trying to fall apart on me. So I've been to the Cherokee Falls there before. I have not been to the Hemlock Falls. We're going to go to the Hemlock Falls today. I think it's a little shorter, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, but they're both developed the same way.
Okay, fried bologna grilled cheese sandwich. Beautiful.
Yeah, you can buy the better one.
Hey guys, fried bologna grilled cheese sandwich. That's good stuff right there. Hey, we're here. Waterfall alert. Oh, pouring right in the top of my hat right now. So yeah, Hemlock Falls, awesome place. You got to come here, Cloudland Canyon State Park, and come see this for yourself, especially in a fall like it is here now. It's just beautiful.
And cold.
And chilly. And it's a long damn ways back to the top of this sucker, and we get to start that now.
Take ibuprofen before you come down.
Good idea.